This is our favorite tool and tip to give you guys, and it's how to use single key accelerators to place your stamp with a single key across multiple documents, as many documents as you want. It really speeds up the process. So here's where you find it in both the new Acrobat view versus the legacy Acrobat view. Under the little hamburger menu on the new view, if you see this up in your upper left hand side of your document, when you pull up a PDF, then you're in the new view. You go down to preferences. If you're in the old view, the old legacy view, and you don't see this little hamburger menu in the upper left hand corner, you will see File, Edit, View, and eSign. Under Edit, pick Preferences. And then at that point, it'll pop up this menu. You should be under the General tab. And the very top one will be Use Single Key Accelerator to access tools. So by default, Acrobat sets the K key to be the single key accelerator for placing stamps. So let me go ahead and hop over into a PDF and show you how that looks live. So here we are in just a blank PDF document, and you can see I'm in the new view because I have these 3 lines, and old coding terms are called the hamburger. That's why I keep calling them that. Under this menu, you can go ahead and select Preferences, and then I'm just double checking to make sure that my single key accelerator is checked, and yes, it is. So we know we're good to go. So whatever we have set our properties to, we will be able to pull up a stamp with the K key, just the K key alone, and begin moving. We don't have to go into any other, toolbars or hit anything at all. I can just come right into this document and start fresh. So I am going to check my properties real quick just to see what we have. We had last recorded with the manual entry. Let me just set it on auto, pick a different color. Let's give it a prefix. And then we'll start our starting number at, let's say, 23. Okay, we're assuming that we're coming back in after taking a couple days off, and we've got to stamp a few more documents. I will pull up my first one, and now all I have to do is literally click on K, and it's going to pull up the ghosted image of the last of the next number that we need to stick our documents with. So I go ahead and place that. So it's super simple to just go through a whole bunch of documents and just keep hitting the K key and placing the next sticker. Just pretend like we have more than one document open here. And you can see every time I hit the K key, it's incrementing up to the next sticker. And if I go away for a while and I come back and I need to sticker some more within this set, then that's what I do. Now, one word of warning. It's really important to know that the K key is not specific to the exhibit sticker. It just means pull up a sticker. So if you used the approved sticker the last time that you were in Acrobat, and you come back and you want to put your trial exhibit sticker in, if I hit the K key, it's just going to bring up the last sticker that was used. So some people kind of get a little, if they jump around with stickers, they kind of get confused by that. So just make sure that you go in and you select the one that you want to use, and then you use that, and the K key will work over and over and over again.